Hey guys, my name is Dean. Welcome to Manflow Yoga. In this quick video, I'm going to show you a 2-minute mobility routine you can use for your neck and your shoulders, utilizing a foam roller to help relieve neck pain and shoulder pain and also restore your posture. So really quick, I'm just going to get down on the floor with any old foam roller. It doesn't matter if it's a foam one or if it's a foam one with the PVC pipe in the middle. And I'm going to put this right in my mid-back. So not in the low back, not up near my neck, but right in the mid-back. And then go ahead and bring your hands behind your neck, cradle the back of your head, pull your chin in toward your throat. So you're doing a chin tuck here, like you're pulling your chin in toward your throat. Squeeze the elbows back, and then allow your head to fall back with it being supported by your hands. So your neck is somewhat in an arched position. And then from here, I'm just going to kind of roll lightly from side to side and stretch my neck. And I'm allowing my neck to release here. So notice that my neck is kind of in the opposite position of what I do typically during the day, right? Typically, I'm in this rounded position looking forward and down. And now I'm looking up and maybe even slightly back. So I'm just kind of moving from side to side here, allowing my neck to arch. And I'm just going to hold this for 2 minutes. And you can just kind of play around with this, twisting toward the right, slowly twisting toward the left, keeping your breathing nice and controlled. And my goal here is to kind of do the opposite of what I do during the day. So this is just really easy, nice release for the neck. You're using your hands to support yourself. And this is kind of doing, again, the exact opposite of what you do during the day. I want to make sure that I'm not scrunching my neck up here, so it helps to think pushing the top of your head away from your shoulders as much as possible. And then again, it's really important to look up, and if you can, then slightly back. And then to get out of that, you're just going to sit back up. And that's it. So you can do this on a daily basis. You can do this to both anticipate and prevent pain as well as relieve pain in your neck and your shoulders. You can use a foam roller to do this. You can also do this on if you're in a chair, or if you're sitting on the couch, you can do the same exact thing, right? You can use the back of the chair or the back of the couch to kind of lean back against that and then support kind of cradle your head in your hands. The important thing is that you're getting your chin in toward your throat and that you're starting to get a little bit of extension to your neck, right? So you're actually arching your upper spine, your cervical spine, and not just letting your head round forward. So I hope you enjoyed that video. You can do this on a daily basis. You can do it 2 or 3 times a day if you want. And if you're spending a lot of time sitting with poor posture, I actually would recommend you do that. Again, 2 minutes is a great time to do this. It doesn't have to be that long. You can do it for up to 5 minutes if you want to, maybe even 10 if it feels really good. And that's it. So guys, follow me if you like this kind of content. I'm on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, everything.com/manflowyoga. And if you want to learn more about what I do, I've got members area, programs, workouts, and more on my website at manflowyoga.com. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a comment, share it, like it, and I hope to see you on the next video.